How to select the right spray nozzle for your application. Choosing the correct spray nozzle is critical for improving efficiency, reducing costs, and achieving the desired results in industrial processes. Here are 4 key factors you must consider.
Spray angle determines the coverage area. Wider angles cover more surface, while narrow angles provide focused impact. Flow rate controls how much liquid is delivered. The right flow ensures optimal performance without wastage. Droplet size. Smaller droplets are ideal for coating, while larger droplets are better for cleaning applications. Pressure. Higher pressure increases spray force, but must be balanced to avoid excessive wear or misting.
Selecting the wrong nozzle can lead to uneven coating, increased chemical usage, poor cleaning efficiency. The right nozzle results in better performance with lower cost and increase in productivity. Need help choosing the right spray solution? Contact MICAN Engineers Private Limited for expert guidance.